So guys, we don't know what is on the other side, so we have to put always top knot on the rope. Self-efficient system. The rope is attached to 2 brackets. I'm not gonna upsell it just for the positioning. This rope is also holding the ladder, so ladder cannot slip. The through rope on the other side. I'm gonna connect you can see there's one slate already here. This slate is on the side, so I'm gonna try to use nail. If you can nail it. Ah, perfect. Beautiful day, sunny day, Edinburgh. So the line will touch the line, so I'm reading centimeter. There you go. Now nice and sound on the slate. So here we have to use slate